Get ready to burn some rubber with this Seiko 5 Supercars limited edition automatic watch. Following up last year's effort, which sports a red and black theme, we see a much more detailed black and gold theme for the SRPJ01K. Packaged in a custom box with an extra silicone band, this model, limited to just 2022, makes for a fantastic gift for those motorheads out there. Covered in a black ion plating, this watch is meant to resemble the bitumen which the supercars drive on. This shiny yet somewhat matte color allows accents of Seiko's Victory Gold to really pop. And we all know black and gold is a winning combo. Stamped into the crown is the Supercars logo and is also printed in a much larger format on the exhibition caseback. So let's dive into the specs. This is your standard Seiko 5, the 4R36 movement, which is going to allow for 41 hours of power reserve. Case diameter measures in at 42.5mm and a day date window sits at 3 o'clock. It's great to see Seiko putting it all out there for these limited editions. Everything from the color scheme to the custom box is done well and nothing feels over the top. You could absolutely see this watch sitting on top of the podium. You just cannot go wrong with a Seiko 5. I could see this piece working well with a denim jacket, or you could even rock it with a business casual look. Remember, this one is limited to just 2,022 pieces worldwide. Click the link in the description and head on over to watchdepot.com.au to snap one up. Thanks for watching through to the end of the video, and if you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos similar to this one.